Ever wondered how flexible your body currently is? Well, today is the day to find out. Welcome to a journey towards improved flexibility. First off, understand that flexibility is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It varies from person to person. But no worries, whether you're as bendy as a gymnast or as stiff as a board, there's always room for improvement. So, kick off those shoes and get ready to stretch. Let's begin with a simple exercise known as the standing hamstring stretch. Stand tall, bend forward at your hips, and let your arms dangle towards your toes. Hold this position for a few seconds, then slowly rise back up. Repeat this process for about 5 times. Not only does this stretch your hamstrings, but it also loosens up your lower back. Next in line is the butterfly stretch. Sit on the floor, bend your knees, and bring your feet together. Grasp your feet with your hands and gently press your knees down towards the floor. Hold this position for a good 30 seconds to a minute. This exercise targets your inner thighs and hips, improving their flexibility. Third on our list is the tricep stretch. Reach one arm up towards the sky, bend it at the elbow, and reach for the middle of your back. With your other hand, gently pull the elbow towards your head. This stretch will help loosen up those triceps and upper back muscles. Moving on, we introduce the cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, press your hands down next to your shoulders, and lift your chest up off the ground, arching your back. This stretch is excellent for your abdominal muscles and lower back. Finally, we have the seated spinal twist. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Bend one knee and place the foot on the outside of your other knee. Twist your torso towards the bent knee. This stretch will give your spine a good twist and stretch those back muscles. Remember, stretching should never cause pain. If it does, ease up a bit. Consistency is key here. Regular stretching can help improve flexibility, increase range of motion, and reduce the risk of injury. To summarize, we've covered 5 key stretching exercises today. The standing hamstring stretch, the butterfly stretch, the tricep stretch, the cobra pose, and the seated spinal twist. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can significantly improve your flexibility over time. Remember, flexibility is not just about performing impressive feats of agility. It's about maintaining a healthy, functional body that can move and bend without pain or discomfort. So take it easy, stretch regularly, and watch as your flexibility improves. Thanks for joining this journey towards improved flexibility. Here's to a more flexible you.